Yo. So starting off the day, we are across the river. I was pretty close to the bridge when I started my shift, and I just kind of got sucked into this. We've got a stack going to two different people. We've got Jack in the Box and a donut shop. I think it was called Heavenly Donuts. I could be wrong on that, but this is like $25 going about 11 miles, I want to say.
Hello, welcome to the box. What can I do for you?
Yep. Do you have drink carriers by any chance?
Oh, sorry, wait.
No.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
You as well, thank you. Well, those orders took way longer than I thought they were going to. We're just about an hour in now. Not as good as I originally thought. Plus I gotta drive a lot of the way back, so I'm kind of screwed. Next up, we've got a stack going to two different people. We've got Jack in the Box and Black Rock Coffee, $9 going 5 miles. That was like a 15-minute wait for no reason. We made eye contact like 3 or 4 times, and by the 5th time, she finally decided, hey, maybe I should make this order. Good job. Mirador. Oh, great. Just what I needed right now. Of course it's going downstairs. Next order up is a Gravity Coffee. This one's $9 going 5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
That order was actually ready for me. I think that's a first with Gravity Coffee. So I've been sitting here for a good 10 minutes. What are the odds that I get an order in the next 10 seconds now that I'm recording? I don't know if that was 10 seconds, but I'm not taking that order. It was a shop and deliver, $7, 7 miles, 7 items. Yeah, not even close to being worth it. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be making any money today. Okay, we finally got an order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $11 going 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is $6 going 3 miles.
Perfect, I should be all set.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You too. It says just leave at the top of the driveway by the garage door. Okay, I could do that. There was no tip on that one. Nice. Next order up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is $6 and change going about a mile.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Was everything else in there? Yeah. Okay. From start to finish, that last order took me 7 minutes, so almost $1 a minute. All right, so we're currently at 60-ish, a little bit more dollars, when we should be at 80. So about an hour behind pace already. Honestly, I might just call it early and cut my losses, because it's been so dead. It's not even worth it today. But I'll give it a few more minutes, and if nothing comes in, then I'll call it. Okay, as soon as I stopped recording, it started raining, so I'll take that as my sign. Current time is 9:39. Total is like 61-ish, maybe a little bit more. I don't even know, but not much. And that's gonna be it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.